Here's Bruiser, Jolie, and Harley. They love to play fetch. Harley. Harley. Oh, Jolie got the ball. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Because I need to take some video. Oh, yeah. Get him. Go bring it to Dylan. Oh, Jolie want that toy. Jolie want that toy. Get him, get him, get him. Bye. Hey, Rosa. Oh, he's waiting for that ball. Get it, Rosa, get it. He loves to catch him in the air, and Jolie's always trying to get that ball, huh, Bruiser? Huh? Huh? Where you put the ball? Where you put the ball? I see it. I see it. Okay. Where is it at? Where you put the ball?